Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about day trading. If is it worth it in my opinion, and also what are people not telling you about that. First, let's watch some stats about day trading that will give you one idea of what we are talking about. Key takeaways. High attrition rate. 40% of day traders quit within a month and only 13% remain after 3 years. Low success rate. Only 13% of day traders maintain a consistent profitability over 6 months, and a mere 1% succeed over 5 years. So, this is the case start here. Day traders that remain day trading for 5 years, only 1% make money. So 99% actually lose money, and the ones that make money, the 1%, you don't know what their returns were. Could be below the market return, and all this time was time lost. Financial loss predominates. 72% of day traders entered the year with financial loss, according to FINRA. So, in the year time scale, 72% lose money. Minimal long-term success. A study of Brazilian day traders found only 3% were profitable, with just 1.1% earning about the minimum wage. So this goes in line with this one. Exceptional earnings are rare. Reports of day traders earning millions are outliers, and the median profits around $13,000, suggesting survivorship bias in reporting, which means that uh, people who are successful keep trading for longer, have a lot more time to talk about it, and also people who lose money tend to hide their losses, and those who make money tend to brag about their wins. So most 90% of traders are men. Leverage risks. Day traders using margin for leverage suffer an average return of minus 4.53%, highlighting the dangers of leverage. So one thing that maybe it is possibility is that day traders tend to use more margin than long-term investors. I think that probably is true also. Growing participation. The percentage of American stock traders increased from 50% in 2019 to 25% in 2021. To this, in my opinion, contributes the trading gurus that flourish everywhere: YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Uh, and actually, I think many of those traders lose money and only report the wins. So most traders are young, so it's normal because they end up losing money early on. That don't do it again. And the problem with day trading is that many people that lost money doing day trading, they also avoid long-term investing that in the future in that jeopardizes their financial future, in my opinion. Okay, the rest is not much relevant. I have just here one example. of one of this this case of trading flourishing on YouTube that lately Milk have been promoting his day trading program where you pay him a fee. I don't know if it is monthly or a single fee, and he'll share with you his trades. The problem is he only he shares all his trades in private, in the private group after you pay him. In public, in his YouTube channel and social media, he is only reporting the wins and the big wins. So this gives a wrong idea to his followers, and most of them are very inexperienced in the market, that you will consistently do this in every trade. So let's see some people who is inside this course or what he says. I like how his big position is Tesla. He sees as the short profit there on his shares. Smart, but a F-head move. Guy is he doesn't trade smart. He just screws people. So you're full in the market, no cash as a millionaire. It's 60 to 50 million to open an ETF. So this one is what matters. He lost more on Open Trading recently than won. If you follow him on YouTube or his social media, he didn't share a single loss, and he shared a lot of wins. So and you can see here that this person thinks that he lost more money than he made, at least at this date. So unfortunately, I'm not inside this trading group, so I can't check on that. But it's a possibility that he made some money, but not the amount he's bringing outside. So after he published that trade, a lot of maybe inexperienced people on the market flooded his Discord to sign up for this program. You can see some examples. There are actually a lot more, but I took some print screens. So let's see how much it costs this program. So you can see that for the gold membership, lifetime membership, it costs $440, but it actually doesn't include the buy and sell alerts. for the buy or sell alerts, you need to subscribe to this one that it's $2,499. That includes the buy or sell alerts. I don't know if there is a cheaper program that includes the buy or sell alerts. I couldn't find it, but if all of these people are paying this to follow his buy or sell alerts, you can easily see how he's making more money from his followers than in the market. I think that's a possibility. Now let's compare trading to the S&P 500. Now we know that after 5 years, just 1% make money. Okay, now the S&P 500 is not guaranteed money, but over the past 150 years, return on average, including dividends, 9.2%. Over the past 50 years, returned 11%. So there are times where the S&P 500 will return at negative returns for 5 years. For example, during the Great Depression, it took a lot of time to recover. I'm not finding the chart here, but we have another example that between 2000 and 2006, you could have 2005, 5 years, you could have negative returns. Okay, but over a period of 20 years, let's say, most people work for more than 20 years. Most work for 30 years or more. S&P 500 never had a negative return over a period of 20 years. I think not. So you can see last 20 years. So when you are investing for your retirement, you are not looking to make profit on the next 5 years anyway. So, but considering average returns over the past 50 years, in 5 years, the S&P 500 gives on average gives on average 70%. Okay, it's not guaranteed. The S&P 500 could go down, but this is the average. Okay, in average, over the period of 5 years, the S&P 500 returns 70%. Meanwhile, a day trader, only 1% is in the green, and 99% lose money. And this 1%, you don't know how much they make, if they made more or less on this. Okay, that's all. My opinion, day trading is not worth it, and you should, in my opinion, it's best to do long-term investing in the S&P 500.